morning once again. This is Stone Pickers now for my previous video of my all of my carbonado black diamond. Yeah, this is it. There is 3.5 kilogram, 4 kilo, 1.5, 2.5. That is all carbonado black diamond now. But now I will show you the little one, the small. This is my small carbonado black diamond. This is all these small piece. This is all carbonado black diamond. But this one is only 150 grams. This is 150 grams. This is 150 grams. And this one is 200 grams. 200 grams. And this is 1, 2, 3, 300 grams. So 300 grams. 300 grams. 300 grams. This one is very small. This is the smaller. Only 100 grams. Almost 100 grams. Okay. Now this is all my carbonado black diamond. This is my